Oh dear, it's another one of my warning videos. Right, Richard, what have you done? Right, well, this one relates to pretty much anything with the 4-bolt steering box, power steering box. So it'll be Range Rover Classics, Discovery 200 series and Discovery 300 series, both Discovery 1s. Probably a few Defenders thrown in there as well. Now, we all like a nice straight steering wheel, don't we? Yeah. And when you're driving along on a nice straight road, you think, yeah, your steering wheel's dead straight, that's fantastic. And I know the Land Rover badge is missing in there. So you think, oh, that's fantastic. And I know it's dusty too. Then, over the last week or so, occasionally the steering's been like that. And then it'll be like that. And then yesterday it did that. And then towards the end of yesterday, it did that. And I thought, well, that's weird. And then when I parked up, it was back to that again, as I was driving in a straight ahead position. So all of these wheel positions were in a straight ahead position. Now there's a clue here. This is your warning. Okay, so naturally I was cautious. So I went over it, checked everything out, checked steering ball joints, checked intermediate arm in the engine bay, checked the steering column in here. Couldn't see anything that was obviously wrong with it. And then last night I pulled into the shop just outside my unit because I was going to get myself a beer. And as I pulled in, well, the steering died. Steering died? Yep. What's actually happened here is, well, the shaft's dropped out the bottom of the steering box. Has anyone ever seen that? Well, you have now. So I think if you are experiencing those kind of haunted steering wheel symptoms, I would recommend in the strongest possible terms you stop. Because had this occurred, I think, at a faster speed, it might have been a problem. As it turned out, I was doing less than 2 miles an hour, and I had just come off a full lock, a full which direction? A full right lock to get into the car park. Up until this point, there's been no rattles, no clonks. The steering's been precise. It's been, well, as precise as you're going to get on a Land Rover. There's been nothing particularly wrong with it. Well, I mean, that's the warning video. In the series on this particular vehicle, I will cover off this in more detail. I will get this box apart and find out what's failed in there. But yeah, it shouldn't look like that.